How you doing? It's Khoa here. In this video I'm going to give a review on the Griptight action kit, the Gorillapod Joby. So I just bought this one today. Bought this in Officeworks. It was about $58. You can probably get about $55, so the price is about $50 to about $60. And the whole purpose of this is I'm going to unbox this today, and I'm going to use this for my GoPro here. So I recently bought a GoPro. This is a Hero 7. And I really wanted to be able to attach this to different areas while I'm filming, so I can easily attach this to like a pole or whatever it is. So I'm going to unbox this today and let's have a look at it. Okay, so see this one there. Okay, so it's a pretty good box. On the back of it you can attach it to some sort of pole, and you can also attach it to rocks and so forth. So let's have a look at it. So it looks like this, if you can see there. And don't worry about the camera at the back, this is just for filming the top down as well. So you can see it there. Okay, so it's the Griptight action kit. It's a Gorillapod Joby. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this thing. So look at it. So it's a pretty good box, white. Okay, so when you open it up, so it's in a plastic container there. It's holding everything. Looks like it's holding everything. So it comes with. Let's open up just this one here. So this is the tripod there. Okay, so that's the tripod. You can open it up there. Okay, that's pretty good. You can actually. It's pretty strong. This is pretty strong. So I can actually move each of these individually. So I can. This is actually really tight. So as I'm moving this, I can feel that this is very strong. So it's not loose or anything. I can actually move that and it'll just stay there. So any pushing or anything will just stay put. So that's actually this gives me a lot of confidence to hold the GoPro. Okay, let me just move this side of it so you can see. Okay, so it also comes with this. I believe this is the USP part of it. So I guess you attach this somewhere, and then you can actually turn it on and off, like, as in you can take photos. This part, I think this holds onto the camera. Okay, so let's say I'm using an iPhone. I can actually, what I can do. Okay, I guess this thing goes into there. Okay, cool. And I think this thing or whatever it is. Okay, so you can actually, and this thing here, it comes with this screw here. I think this is a pin, I don't know what it's called. So this can go onto the side here. Here we go, and you can actually screw it on. So I'm not going to bother screwing it all on, but you'll screw on, and then you can, I guess you can attach your phone, and you can do it like that. Okay. So you can do it like that. So it holds. It's pretty effective there. So I really like it. It's actually quite nice. But the whole purpose is I don't want to use my phone for this. I actually want to use my GoPro, because I'll be doing lots of action shots, and I want to use my GoPro for this. So I guess this is my GoPro here. It's inside a case right now, so I'm going to remove it. So I want to remove this thing. So. So I'm just going to unscrew my GoPro. Okay. So I guess that one comes off. Beautiful. Okay, so I guess this one goes into there. Yep, beautiful. It works. Okay, so I'm attaching this to my GoPro right now. And I guess you screw this one in. There we go. So it's pretty easy. It's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, and that's it. It's attached to my GoPro right now. That's it. It didn't take long to set up. I didn't really know how to do this thing. I guess this is a this does something. Not too sure what it does. Okay, I think what this does is you can turn on your phone, like, to take photos. So if you're doing action shots, if you're putting it over there, you might press a button and they'll take a photo. So it's pretty cool. So that's it. So right now it's attached to my GoPro, and you can see there it's pretty good. So it's attached to it. You can move the legs around it. So let's do a test. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but let's see whether we can attach it to something. So whether you can see it there, I'm going to attach it. I don't know whether you can see. But I'm going to attach it to this thing here. Oh, that is so cool. That's actually attached. That's so cool. So if I want to attach it around a pole, I can. So it's actually hanging on. That's really awesome. Can you see that? Okay. So if you can't see on that screen there, so it's really good. This is actually really cool. So what I can do now is, so I can use it as a selfie stick, so I can walk around. I can just like film myself. It's pretty sturdy, to be honest. It's not really portable because that's the length. And if you were to carry this, you just chuck it in the bag and then just carry it around. But you just hold it and just film yourself, and that's pretty much it. So let's say I were to turn it on. Okay. So right now that's my GoPro turning on. So I'm filming right now. Okay, I'm filming with the new Gorillapod. Okay, so it's pretty good, pretty comfortable. Feels really good filming. Okay, there you go. It's filming right now. It's attached to it. Didn't take long to do, and it's now a tripod, and I can easily attach this to something. So it's got a bit of rubber there, and I can actually move some of these around a bit. Okay, so I'm really happy with this. Okay, what else does it come with? So filming there. This is awesome. Okay, so then this thing here, let's have a look. So here's the booklet. But who reads a booklet anyway? So I'm not gonna bother with that. This action kit. This looks like a warranty or something. Oh, this just shows you how to attach it. So if you want to attach it to your phone, you can. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The Gorillapod Joby Griptight action kit. It's really awesome. I really like it. It's a really good tripod. Yeah, it didn't take, as you can see, it didn't take me long to attach it to my GoPro, and yeah, I can't wait to start testing this out. So, you know, I can just see myself going outdoors, filming, attaching these things, and it'll just be filming while I just do my thing, right? So that's it. So that's the Gorillapod Joby Griptight action kit. Yeah, highly recommend it. Go check it out. And I guess, yeah, if you got a GoPro, got a phone, and you want to do some action shots, highly recommend for you guys to invest in this, because when you invest in filming and good production, it's going to really make a huge effect to your videos and your YouTube videos as well. So hope you like this video, and please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.